Splish, splash, in a flash, it's bath time, a joyous rhyme. Welcome, friends, to a world where bubbles float and rubber ducks reign supreme. Can you hear the gentle trickle of water filling the tub? That's the first verse of our bath song. Now, imagine a symphony of bubbles popping, each one a delightful note in this merry tune. They dance and sway in their own frothy ballet, adding a chorus to our bath song. Next, the star of the show, the rubber duck, squeaks a solo melody, a playful quack that echoes in the porcelain concert hall, furthering the enchantment of our bath song. And finally, the soft lull of water draining, a sweet lullaby signaling the end of bath time, but not the end of our bath song. It's a loop, a cycle, a never-ending melody of joy and cleanliness. Remember, bath time is a symphony, a concert filled with laughter and splashes. So each time you hear the sound of water, let the bath song play in your mind and enjoy the rhythm of cleanliness. Don't forget to subscribe for more delightful tunes and magical moments.